N63 E70 chassis. I don't know about other chassis with this particular motor, but on this one, just to change the air filters, which are here and here, you're gonna have to take, unfortunately, all of that stuff off to get to these Torx screws that are back here, and there's another one, and then there's another one back here, and clearly you're not going to be able to get to them with all that crap in the way. I'm annoyed by it because you got this plastic cowling on here that, you know, separates all this stuff. Whatever. I just figured I'd make a short note to let you know it's not as simple as, you know, just pulling this off, and the screws here you can see you've got to get, you know, all the way behind it to get the elements out and to change them. Some of these are kind of hidden. There's one here when that piece is on that's kind of hard to see if you haven't done this before, and then you've got, well, those two that hold that centerpiece on right there. Once you get that off, you should get the access you need to get all the other screws out. And once you get all that BS out of the way, you can get this final screw out back here, loosen all this stuff up, and then it takes a little finagling on this back corner, but then, because it's a real tight fit, but then you can get to the stupid thing. Let's see, I've had this car for about 2.5 years and have not done this. Don't know when these were last changed. Let's have a look at them. Yeah, I mean, I guess time, but it's not end of the world bad. You can still kind of see through it there. Now this is the driver's side filter, arguably much more dirty than the passenger side, and it apparently has been taking some heat because the paper just cracks right into, I've never seen that before on an air filter. So these things are under incredible heat, as they do sit right almost directly behind the turbos. I don't know how old this filter is, but again, look at that. I've had this for 2.5 years, so it's at least that old. I would say if you've not changed your filters out on your N63, probably a good idea to do it. I'm not sure how effective the filter elements are when they get stiff like that. Maybe okay, but in an hour or so to mess around with it, I think you probably should do it. And I'll warn you, so it's 49257 for the passenger side, 49258 for the driver's side. These are not cheap filters, at least not the WIX ones. I get this stuff through a guy I've known forever. He's got an auto repair shop. These were $36 a piece, and if you really want to have your heart stop, I bought the WIX filter for the cabin air filter setup here. This dual element deal is $90 from my guy. You can get it online for cheaper, sure, but I still think it's 72 something at Rock Auto, and then you're going to pay shipping and tax and all that stuff on top of it. I already bought them, so I'm going to change them. But if you don't want to sell your kidney to afford a cabin air filter for this wonderful chassis, don't do it. But anyway, new versus old. Yeah. It's all good. That's how you do it. Break out your wallet if you're going to do the broke man's wallet, right? It's just sad that we love these things as much as we do. Thanks for watching.